Hello everyone, Mike McConville here again, Stratford, Ontario, Canada for StringTechWorkstations. As promised, I'm delivering on my 10 guitar tech tools for $10. Well, let's start with this box of tongue depressors, 500 of them for $12.89. That's 2.5 cents each. Okay, well this is a guard for edge dressing. I'm just getting ready to fill those fret ends. So I tape this to the soundboard to protect it so that when I level with the sanding sticks, we don't scratch the top. So there's one tool, that was about 2 cents. Oh, my little pointer stick, I suppose that's 2 cents as well. And seeing as I'm getting my 2 cents worth, there's a radius gauge, 2 cents, tongue depressor. Here's a glue scoop up stick, 2 cents. Here's a self-adjusting radius gauge. Well, I put a 10-cent price on that one because you have a little piece of foam under there. You've seen these in videos that I've done. Here's the riser block that I used when I was routing out the bridge slot, and it's a hockey puck, of course. Hockey pucks are 99 cents. Here's a little clamp pad, that's worth about 20 cents. And here's a piece of a hockey puck that I use for wet sanding. So I guess you could assign another maybe 15 cents to that piece. And of course, we've got machinist rules. Imperial on one side, metric on the other. So there's another $2. And the ever useful feeler gauge set, also $1.99. So what I have here is 9 sanding sticks, and we'll adhere the sandpaper to that. Well, I put a $4 value on our triple radius gauge, and when we add everything up that we just covered, we have a grand total of $9.81 Canadian, or $7.36 US. When you take into account that soundboard guard that I just showed you a second ago on that guild for doing the edge dress, that's 11 tools. 11 tools for $7.36 US. And there's lots more where that came from. Stick around, I got lots more to show you. Like most old-time techs, I'm big on the vernacular, just using stuff that's lying around. There's many times where you've seen me use hockey pucks for a multitude of reasons. So at 99 cents, I buy about 20. I dropped $20 and I got like a 5-year supply. 10 guitar tech tools for much less than $10. So I do 80 grit, 120, and 180. And that tends to serve most of the jobs that I need to do. I do have 400 grit that I get in a roll, and I'll make up finer sticks as I need them. And there you go, 9 sanding sticks, double-sided, so really essentially 18 sanding sticks, 180, 120, and 80 grit. And they're basically a nickel a piece. So we essentially have 11 guitar tech tools, not 10, for $9.81 Canadian or $7.36 US. And there's our sanding sticks. If you look at my acoustic guitar bridge glue video, you'll see me use these little scoop up sticks. And that about wraps it up for this episode. There's lots more vernacular stuff that you can get just about anywhere for next to nothing when you're working on guitars. Keep in touch. Got lots more to show you. And here's another use for those tongue depressors. Just pull those strings out of the way while we glue the nut in. We removed the original saddle, re-slotted the bridge for proper intonation, installed a new saddle that was radiused, refretted the whole fingerboard. These are 51 100 frets, 51 thou high, 100 wide, and we gave you a little lesson there on filling those ends and polishing them up to cover your tracks. And of course we've got the compensated nut. Now these are 11 to 52 strings at concert pitch. So we dropped it down from 12 to 53 to 11 to 52. A difference of about 12 pounds load. This guitar is extremely light. And I did have this conversation with the customer and suggested that he step it down just that little tiny bit. You wait till you hear the voice on this thing. It's absolutely gorgeous. But that's a view of the neck. So we changed the trajectory of the neck angle by taking more off the fingerboard on this end. And it saved us getting into a neck reset. Because now, if you look at the saddle and the bridge, we actually have a fair amount of adjustment there. We could come down a little bit as the guitar pulls up even more over the next few decades. Okay, enough talk. Let's have a listen.